Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Tailor Brands to Canva for scalable brand assets, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Tailor Brands to Canva for scalable brand assets, begin by accessing your Tailor Brands account. Log into your Tailor Brands dashboard. Navigate to the brand design section. Select the specific brand you wish to transfer to Canva. Look for the option labeled export or download in your brand settings. Choose the file formats that you need for your brand assets. Download the selected files to your computer. Next, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click on Create a Design. Choose a template or start from a blank canvas. To upload your Tailor Brands assets, click on Uploads in the left-hand menu. Select Upload Media and locate the files you downloaded from Tailor Brands. Upload the files and wait for the process to complete. Once uploaded, drag and drop your brand assets into your design. Customize your design using Canva's tools as needed. You can resize, reposition, and apply additional elements to enhance your brand assets. After finishing your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select the desired file format for your finished product. Click on Download to save your design to your device. Now, you have successfully connected Tailor Brands to Canva for scalable brand assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.